All right, let's review factoring quadratics. Remember, a quadratic equation or quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to try and break that down into factors, or two things that will multiply out to be this expression. So we're looking for a template that looks like this, so that when I use the distribution method, I'm equaling the ax squared plus bx plus c. So the trick to this method is that we need two numbers that multiply to equal c, and those same two numbers must add to equal our b value. Okay? So let's look at an example. Let's look at x squared plus 11x plus 18. The first thing that we want to do is we want the factors of 18. What multiplies to be 18? We know that's 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. But of these factors, which one could I add or subtract to help me get to 11? Hopefully you recognize that 2 plus 9 equals 11. And we're going to write this as x plus 2 times x plus 9. The way you can double check yourself is to look at these numbers. 2 times 9 equals 18, and 2 plus 9 equals 11. That's my b value. 18 is my c value. So we've successfully found our factors. Let's try another one. Let's try b squared minus 7b minus 8. Okay. So again, let's find the factors of negative 8. We know 1 times 8 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. But of those factors, which are going to help me get to a negative 7? 1 and 8. So I have b and 1, b and 8. But notice that this 8 is negative. To get a negative 7, I'm going to need a negative 8 and a positive 1. But let's double check. 1 times a negative 8 does equal a negative 8, and 1 minus 8 does equal a negative 7. So we have successfully found our factors. One more, let's try it on your own and see how successful we can be. M squared plus 14m plus 45. I encourage you to pause the video and try this problem out on your own. My factors of 45 are 1 and 45, 5 and 9. So of these factors, which one is going to help me get to a 14? So this is m plus 5 times m plus 9. And you can double check that these work out. This has been factoring when a equals 1.